Haya, asante sana Your Excellency, our Deputy President. Na kwanza kabla sijasema mengine, Your Excellency, nikubalia nionyeshane MCAs wa Kikuyu wako wapi? Ndio hao MCA Jambi, MCA Ishebe, Mudaikabera Ishebe, MCA Kamau wa Kikuyu Town. Huyu ni nominated MCA Shiko Muturi, Wambui wa Bagi na mheshimiwa wa Keno, mheshimiwa Moigu. Na watu wa Kikuyu si tuiname tuonekane kama tuko. Tuzimame. Haya, ne washi wa doage kwa Your Excellency. Ne wamaona mekuo. Your Excellency, nichukue nafasi hii. Kwanza niombe msamaha kidogo sababu nilichelewa kuingia, lakini unajua nilikuwa nimekuarifu mahali nilikuwa kwa mambo ya kazi ya bunge, sababu tunafungua bunge kesho na lazima tujitayarishe kufungua. Na pili ni kushukuru because umekubali kutualika hapa kama watu ya Kiambu, na umetuambia vile yule kijana alisema hata kuswim, lakini that was very dangerous. Ujue sisi hatuendi mbali, ithuĩ tũrathiĩ haha Kiambu haha ũguo hakuhĩ. Koguo ta andũ Agĩkũyũ na Kabete no tũikare gũkũ nginya thaa 5 cia ũtukũ tũgĩswim, kana tiguo? Kuo mũtigakorwo na ihenya rĩa kũinũka. Kwĩragwo wathiĩ kwa mũthamaki ndũkahĩkĩke, wetere no ũkohe kanyamũ ge gũtigara orie no ũtigĩtwo na hau, tuĩke no njamba igĩrĩ ciĩ na hau swimming pool-inĩ ciĩrwo ndũkĩmana ici mainũke, kana tiguo? Your Excellency, ndĩrauga ũguo nĩgetha ngũcokerie ngatho. One, you remember when we crafted our Kenya Kwanza manifesto in 2022. It was following a very vigorous program where we went to all our 47 counties. In fact, we set foot in 45 out of the 47 counties, crafting the economic charters and the economic forums that we had. Na yetu hapa ya Kiambu tulikuwa nayo pale Limuru, pale St. Paul's, Pacifica nakumbuka. Na hapo ndio tulikubaliana mambo mengi, baadhi ya hayo mambo ambayo tumeleta hapa leo. Plus now the changing times, any new changes that we may have. And it's good to also appreciate Your Excellency that as much as the President and the government of Kenya has put in a lot of work, hiyo kazi haijaripotiwa back kwa wananchi. Na kila siku wakati mwananchi hajajulishwa yale yanaendelea, kama ungesikiza vizuri, umesikia ile shida kubwa iko Kiambu ni mambo ya barabara. And if I was to summarize everything in Kiambu, it is about the stalled road projects. Hata sio mpya, zile zilianzishwa zimekwama. Hiyo Mau Mau Road unasikia inashika Gatondo South, Gatondo North, Githunguri, Lari, even Gatondo North. Hiyo mzee Kamau alisema ate merego ere ajomo atigire ena lami na niwe amangu igathie kumira nginya kwa mheshimiwa Kahagara. Therefore, Your Excellency, if you can help us to unlock many of the road projects that are stalled in Kiambu County, I think these people, you will have done 50% of the work. Ukisikiza across the board, roads is a major problem. Lakini pia about the first 7 or 9 kilometers kutoka Thika Superhighway kwenda kupita mpaka Kamwangi, Elorete Mutito ni ekiretwo rami, but it has another like almost 16 or 15 kilometers to go. 29 kilometers are done, so it has another almost it was 23 kilometers to go ili ishe. Na nasema hivyo Your Excellency because you know ile kazi rais amekuwa akifanya. What the Deputy President is telling us is true. Mnakumbuka last year tulipata matatizo na finance bill, na pesa mingi sana zikakwama, and those are the consequences of the choices that we made as a country. But the President went out of his way. You remember when the former Minister for Roads, Kipchumba Murkomen, gazetted the 7 shillings fuel levy, and that did not increase the cost of fuel in the country. That 7 shillings the government has now securitized, and we are going to access almost the first 80 billion this year to unlock all those projects. Umuthi wako na wasiwasi, uguo Deputy President amwira mbeca cia bara riu twi nacio. Securitization ni kuya ciringi icio mugwanja, uthie woe mbeca ciringi ici mugwanja iria urekera maguta cirihage mbeca icio, nacio mbeca twake bara rita rimwe turihe contractors nigetha project icio cithie na mbere. Stima the same way. You have seen the president juzi alikuwa Western Kenya, isipokuwa kuna wengine wakiona last mile wanasema ati ameenda kuzindua transformer. But even those transformers, there are places in our villages where we need transformers. Na kuna mahali hivi unasikia watu wa Kabeto wamekuambia mambo ya stima, street lighting, Thika, your darkness unasikia. Because of our proximity to the city, we need security lighting and to ensure that everybody 100% is connected through the last mile program. And I say that, Your Excellency, appreciating the work that has gone on. Na nikubaliana na wewe that there is a time for everything. Your Excellency, ulisema mimi mmeniwekea mzigo kubwa sana ya kusukuma agenda ya serikali kwa bunge. Na hiyo kazi mimi hufanya bila kusita. Part of it is not popular. But what is popular is not always right. And I focus on what is right and good for the country. And I want to assure Your Excellency, I will remain very focused on doing what is right for Kenya and for the people that we promised very many things. Not what is popular. Because my brothers and sisters, if we focused on what is popular, 2 years ago, it was very popular when unga was trading at 260 shillings. It was very popular to subsidize unga. Kweli si kweli? Sinamkumbuka tulikuwa na maandamano ya sufuria. Tukiambiwa serikali subsidize unga. Na tukaambiwa kuna unga revolution. But we remained steadfast under the leadership of President William Ruto and said, let us focus on what we put in our manifesto. Because our manifesto did not speak about subsidizing unga or fuel. We spoke about subsidizing production so that we have sustainable food prices. Today, unga it has 110 shillings. Kweli uongo? No koro twekire maundu maria mari popular higweyo. Tugiathire to subsidize mutu, twage go subsidize arimi, production, for a very short time tuhuthire mbeca cianyu go subsidize mutu, maendeleo maria turauga riu, ginya mbeca icio turauga securitization cia vara cingirare ha mathire ma mutu. Mbeca turekira ndaci, na nikio twaugire reke tuthie to subsidize fertilizer. Arimi mone fertilizer ma produce irio makiria, bei cia irio cikuruke thi, garama ya maisha ishuke chini. Your Excellency, that is why I tell you, I have no doubt, and I keep telling my people in Kikuyu, I have no reason to seek popularity today. Today, I have every reason to remain focused on the job and deliver to them. Wakati wa kutafuta popularity utafika. Na hiyo popularity, Your Excellency, even for you and the President, the popularity you will need it at the right time. Na hatutakuja kuuliza umetufurahisha na nini miaka 5, tutakuuliza ile agenda tuliweka kwa manifesto, ukatuambia kwa Kiambu Economic Charter utatujengea barabara ya Mau Mau, ziko wapi? Ukatuambia mtatujengea masoko, ziko wapi? Stima, all those things, maji. Your Excellency, let me say we are fortunate as Kiambu. Na no yagare mwetoka korogo na meshamani yote eno. And that's why, Your Excellency, I have thanked you. Because you remember we agreed when we crafted our manifesto that the president, God willing, if he is elected as president, he will focus on stabilizing our economy. Then we will have the deputy president who will focus on a review program of all economic charters county by county. Ili ukuite watu wa Kiambu uambie tuliahidiana masoko yamejengwa ama hayajajengwa. And every year, that was the agreement, Your Excellency, Na najua nahubiria mwenye anajua, sababu wewe ndiye mwenye kuandika manifesto. Manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza ni profesa wandikire. Atũire hingĩrĩte karumu haha go compile all the 47 counties. Kwoguo ti wĩra aranjĩrĩria wĩra atoĩ. Lakini shida ile tuliingia, Your Excellency, Deputy President mwenye alikuwa hapa hakutuita siku hata moja to review our economic manifestos for each of our counties. Amba watu wa Kiambu muliitwa? Handu mwetirwo? Muri mwetwo mucamanio onomwe ukwarĩrĩria maendeleo ma Kiambu? Tiga ma Kiambu, muri mwaigua gwitanĩtwo mucamanio onomwe wa kwarĩrĩria maendeleo ma Nyeri kana ma Mathira? Rĩu haha muretwo mukerwo andũ mwenda gũswim mũswim. Na ti siasa, nĩ mwarie maũndũ ma maendeleo ma tondu tuthuraga thirikari iturutire wira, kana tiguo? Na no nginya Deputy President yue haha mena president maturutire wira mende kana matiende. Kweli si kweli? Na niĩ nĩkĩo ndĩmeraga othe, na sio vitisho, Your Excellency. Lakini mtu akikataa kufanya kazi, barabara ni moja, kana tiguo? Hata president akikataa kufanya kazi, barabara yake ni moja. Sisi hapo wabunge, we have powers to impeach even a president if he does not deliver or if he loses focus. So wewe professor, please remain focused kwa hii kazi ya maendeleo, si ndio? Kana mkwenda ajie kutengerania na siasa atuweke popular hizi itheti atengerania na wira nigetha Kiambu County. Your Excellency, let me report, out of all the 47 counties, na ndikwanira mbuno reka njuga na Gikuyu, he county cio the 47 cia Kenya, there is no other county okone agenda ya thoko housing ibere ya Kiambu County. Truth as it is, Kawajiko oyo no twekerie committee ya budget. Kawajiko no akwire budget ine ya Kenya wathie thoko Kiambu, thoko iria twi nacio 1129 markets, modern markets and economic stimulus markets. Uthie kuma Goriba, ya Goriba githende advertiseirwo ni awarded. Uthie Kiganjo, uthie Ngoigwa, ino ibara-ini witeithie na witeithio na matiatigirwo thutha. Uyu Alice Ng'ang'a ndio wathire guteithia andu a Juja, mumucokageria ngatho tondu nikuo aciaritwo, akimethera thoko ya witeithia akiuga tondu wi muhaka-ini, ona muhaka ndekaga atia. Na andu a Juja mutire orphans, ni mukwibanga, kana tiguo? Uthie nginya Kabete ngwiciria mwena ithano 5 or 4 markets. Gikuyu ona ithua hinyiririe twina igiri. Kahangara Ndora ya Nyambari ni ya awarded riu, ya Soko Mjinga ngwiciria ni kurikera rika riu. Mundu gwetwo Mashua Kiambu NM neyo ya Kangangi iragwetwo, and that one is a firm commitment the president made, and I think is the designs the housing ministry are working on, come design uria kuhota kwa accommodate ahuri ya biashara othe ya Kiambu town. Ti thoko shika, affordable housing. When we ran into problems with our county government, because it's good to be honest, we had problems in the beginning with our county government. Uhoro wa migunda, we crafted and got land elsewhere. We have affordable housing in almost every constituency in Kiambu County. Those that have started and others that are starting, I think led by Thika, she has, I think, almost 3 projects, 4. Your Excellency, kama ni kula, nimesikia watu wa Githunguri wakiuliza milk coolers. We have 40 milk coolers coming into Kiambu County. 40. Githunguri ni nyumo producer ga iria rĩrĩa rĩingĩ mũno mũrũmĩrĩirwo nĩ Limuru na Rari. Rĩu nĩ manjia kũrũa no ũrutaga rĩrĩa rĩingĩ. Na tondũ ti ambunge makamagwo nĩ ng'ombe rĩ. Tutige kũrũa no ũrĩa wĩna nyingĩ, kana tiguo? No coolers twĩna cio cia iria cigũka constituency-inĩ citu nona kuria mureciria neo fund mama county wa Muratha. She is running with those in Juja and Githunguri to make sure that they get, that no constituency in Kiambu will be left behind. So Your Excellency, I'm saying all these things because it's important tujue mahali tumetoka, mahali tuko na mahali tunaenda vile umesema. Tuliahidi in our economic forum to deal with mambo ya kahawa. And I'm sure we have people from Ruiru, Githunguri, Kiambu, aria makoragia kahawa. They will tell you, Your Excellency, 2 years ago, a 50 kg bag of cherry, yendagio kilo yari shilingi 60. Today, the last price is 101 shillings. 101 shillings from 60 shillings 2 years ago. The coffee cherry fund was 2.7 billion. We now have 6.7 billion in our budget. Kata ya Mheshimiwa Kawaji kuna abugi ya budget committee ne. Sports academies, we already have 2 sports academies lined up in Kajero, in Kabete, na Kimosho, Thika. Kurea tuwari higo ya campaign, kiharo kiare na rukuguru igemuno, na president yake promise na kukugia sports academy, and Alice Nganga can tell you they have already procured money for it. Your Excellency, I'm saying all those things, ili tujue ile kazi imekuwa ikifanyika, na yenye itafanyika. And that is why, Your Excellency, I thank you because you have taken up the job that was supposed to be done 2 years ago and has not been done, and started late but not too late. Every year sisi tutakuwa na wewe. Si ametuambia kila mwaka? Either ni hapa ama ni kwa ground. Ili kila mwaka atuambie kama ni hizo soko zimefika wapi. Kama ni barabara za Maumau, hizo tumekuambia, na hizo zingine umesikia zikitajwa za Limuru na Kabeta hakuna Maumau, but we have roads that are stalled. Utuambie ziko wapi pesa zikija. And we will continue to support you from the National Assembly together with these members of parliament. They are all very diligent in the house except 1 or 2 who we are also trying to preach to focus on the people. Sababu, if we don't focus on the people, we will run to what is popular. But as I said, what is popular is always not the right thing. What is right will be popular at the right time. And that is what, Your Excellency, I want to assure you that we remain focused on. Ugiori aterere ando itu. Professor ne atwira maria gwika githe tiguo. Na thirikari ya President William Ruto. Kana neguo tiguo. Ino thirikari ne ithuĩ twacaririe. Ne ithuĩ kana ti ithuĩ. Your Excellency, Kiambu County ne njũĩ na ndikwenda niĩ ndingĩaria cia shares. But county ya Kiambu nĩyo county ĩrĩa yaheanire kura iria nyingĩ piũ thĩinĩ wa basket ya Kenya Kwanza. So we have no apologies when we say we have 29 markets, 40 coolers, and we are demanding more because it is by right, because this is our government. Kana twambe tutigane no Ruto gethenge. Ndithiguo twiragwo ino thirikari tionengerio kia Jomo, eriokia Kimathi. Ate inyuĩ nĩ mwathamire. Kĩrĩma nĩ gĩathire. Nĩ gĩathire. Kĩratuĩka nĩ gĩathire. Gĩathire. Ate kũ? Mũtiũria ũcio ugaga nĩ gĩathire kũ? Kĩrĩma no gĩthiĩ kũndũ? Mũngĩrũgama haha nĩ mũgũkĩona? Rĩu niĩ njĩraga andũ a Gĩkũyũ kĩrĩma kĩrĩa niĩ nyonaga nĩ gĩkĩ kĩa Ngong'u. Niĩ ona Mount Kenya twĩ Gĩkũyũ tũtimĩonaga ona rĩrĩa gũtherete atĩa. No tuonire kĩrĩma Mbogo kwa Alice tũgeciria nĩkĩo Mount Kenya. Kana tiguo? Na irĩma ici nĩ njega na gũtirĩ bũrũri ũtarĩ irĩma na gũtirĩ andũ matarĩ irĩma ciao. Kwĩhenia tũtũre twĩhenagia atĩ tũcokanĩre rũrĩrĩ. Atĩ rĩu niĩ Kiambu, rĩu niĩ ndĩhũrage gĩthũri. Ĩno Kiambu we Professor Kindiki ũtangĩaria na niĩ, ĩno Kiambu nĩ yathire na nĩ gũthiĩ. Mũtikanahenio, ingiuga ũguo ti inyuĩ mũrathiĩ, niĩ nĩ niĩ ndĩrathiĩ na ndĩrauga nĩ ngũthiĩ nĩgetha ndĩmũhũthĩre inyuĩ ndĩcarĩrie makwa. Koguo mũndũ akĩmwĩra atĩ kĩrĩma nĩ gĩathire, ti kĩrĩma ena bata nakĩo, nĩ nda yake ena bata nayo na mũka na ciana ciake. Kana tiguo? Kana Andu age ko nie muri muona ndimuinukeirie mundu kwanyu. Kiria ndona githe ndinukagia gwakwa. No ingikora kabara kaigitwo uru nie nguhituka na kondo are Gikuyu. Kana tiguo. Kiria giguteithia mundu wa Giku na MPs aya angi otaguo. Wakora mundu azubaite Alice Ng'ang'a kora ate he gathoko. Tau nie ni njui he handu ndacungire hanini wa macukuru akihituka na thoko 5 ngetigwo na 2 na mahetia ni makwa. Kana tiguo. No ru njoke ate nyanjie guthreaten president na Kindiki kumeraga Kiambu ni guthie, Kiambu ni athire, ithiete ku Kiambu muri akirima ni mwathire he kundu murathie, he kundu murathie ka muraikare no thirikari, tuikare thirikari ni no maria turenda thirikari ike twitie thirikari iri miaka yathire 5 kwihingo thirikari ino egutura miaka yao yathire 5 2027 tuke turani atiriri maria mwatwiriire ri ni muhingitie kana mutihinge no mundu wa gutuhenia ati ajie gutwetheria guya guku kirima ni giathire ona mungeriukia wa mbere ithuĩ tutingihota kuriukia mundu ucio na atungatiria me haha no makwire ucio wira no Jesu wirega kuruta. Kana tiguo ithuĩ to Jesu wirega kuriukia mundu na ithuĩ tutiarĩ kuo niguo no tuna mwihoko ati Jesu oka ni tukariuka no tutanakua twambe tugie bara cia rami Professor Kindiki, twambe tugie na kura cia iria ri andu a Githunguri magie kura cia iria, macani ma andu ari Muru ma andu arari kahua cigie na bei mekire pesa kwa mfu thoko icio citu ciothe cirikio nigetha riu tugicoka kurania kirima kana gwi kundu kirathie ri turanagie kana wira ni murute kana twina gitumi gia guthie kana tutire gitumi gia go. Andu a Kiambu ni mauga tuikare thirikari-ini ino, tuikare thirikari-ini ino ona twarumwo ona twanyururio ona ndetwo muka wa Ruto riu mwadora ari ati ndi muka wa Ruto wina ndonyi atiri nie njuragia andu aikwe atiriri riu tondu ndetwo muka wa Ruto ri muri mwanyona na rinda bara nĩ irakwo kana itirakwo, thitima nĩ tũrekĩrwo kana tũtirekĩrĩrwo, ithe macio timo mena bata kwĩragwo gũtirĩ rĩtwa rĩtarera mwa niĩ mwĩtĩkĩre njĩtwo mũka wa Ruto na andũ a Kiambu mateithĩke nĩguo kana tiguo. Thiona Ruto ndetagwo Zakayo na akĩrĩiyũkia rĩu aretwo Kasongo, ũcio Kasongo niĩ ndĩ wa Kasongo, inyuĩ mũrĩ a Kasongo, nyinyi ni wa Kasongo, mutasonga na Kasongo. Ndio niliwaambia wakisema ati Ruto must go, na mimi naambia Ruto must go forward with the transformative agenda for transforming the Republic of Kenya. Kweli si kweli? Aendelee asiendelee? Ruto must go forward. Asonge forward. Tutasonga na Kiambu forward. Kiambu forward. Mutikiuga Kiambu forward. Kiambu forward. Na Kasongo forward. Eto Kasongo asonge, si Kasongo asonge forward, asonge na Kiambu forward. Ona herege maramwita ni uguo. Your Excellency, hau ngugaga muka wa Ruto, ngugaga nie ndi mundu wa Ruto wa moko na ndi nguruta wira wa Ruto na Professor Kithure Kindiki nigetha Kenya thie na mbere, na asante sana. Mungu awabariki. Kwa heshima Your Excellency, sababu tulianza na West, nikubalie sasa tuanze na East. Neguo andu a Thika no nyonire Kang'ethe ore waria haha aria Githweri sanifu nikio nie ndamenya nie ndingĩaria Githweri kama njarie Gikuyu Githweri giakwa gitikahananio na gia Kang'ethe, kana tiguo. Na riu tondu muhiki wa Thika uyu wetagwo Mama Simba ri githe mutimuĩ ndukirugame Mama Simba uke ugeithanie ndagika imwe na nimuona nimuonire Kang'ethe uma na ngui hana atia. Kang'ethe tarugama Kang'ethe ena nguo cia blue, Mama Simba ena nguo cia ki, nimegutuhe uhoro uko tuhe ucio
Asante sana.